Today, we're going to learn about Australia.
Australia is the smallest continent and one of the largest countries on Earth, lying between the Pacific and Indian Oceans in the southern hemisphere. Australia's capital is Canberra, located in the southeast between the larger and more important economic cultural centers of Sydney and Melbourne. This is the national flag of Australia. This is the Australian coat of arms, and the national animal is the red kangaroo. The Great Barrier Reef is located in Australia, off the coast of Queensland on the northeast side of Australia. It is the largest coral reef system in the world. It stretches over 1,400 miles and is so large it can be seen from outer space. The Great Barrier Reef is a colorful place with over 3,000 coral reefs and more than 1,500 types of fish.
Today we have a game for you to play. The game is called King Tan, and it is a type of keep-away game. So you can learn about it by watching the link in the post. Check the post for the link. If you don't have enough players to play this game, you can always play keep-away with your own set of rules.
Today we'll be looking at artwork from the Aboriginal people of Australia. The Aboriginal people were the original Australians. First, you'll need to trace your hand on a piece of paper. Next, you'll need some Q-tips and some paint. Use the Q-tips to dab little tiny dots of paint onto your hand. You can make different patterns, you can add different colors, you can work on the whole hand, you can add background. Get creative.
Hi, Michael C. Riley. It's Dr. Noland. This week we're celebrating our International Festival Week, and I'm going to start off with a song based on a bird from Australia known as the kookaburra. And many of the kindergartners, you guys studied this song as part of your study of Australia. And one thing for all of these songs, you want to make sure that you remember that if you know different versions of these songs or you look them up and you see that they're slightly different, most songs are based on folk music. So what that means is people didn't write them down, they just kind of passed them on from person to person. When this happens, as many of you studied already this year, it's kind of like the telephone game. People forget lyrics and then they have to make up new ones, or sometimes they don't like the lyrics or they elaborate on the story in the song a little bit more, in which case you will end up with many more versions of the song than just one. So here is the Kookaburra song. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, Mary, Mary, king of the bushes, he sings. Kookaburra sing, Kookaburra sing your song for me. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, eating all the gumdrops he can see. No, Kookaburra, no, Kookaburra share some there with me. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, watching all the monkeys he can see.